Welcome back to my channel Capturing Guys. In this video I'll be comparing with the Samsung M20 camera along with the DSLR, because Samsung claims it has a ultra wide lens, which is a rare camera. There are two cameras which Samsung provided. One is a primary one, which is 30 megapixel. Other one is a secondary camera, which is 5 megapixel. So 5 megapixel one is a ultra wide lens. So I'm gonna test with 1855 lens. So we'll see how wide are the Samsung lens. Okay, let's get into the video.